I'd like to now take a few moments to talk about how to be a good citizen on the internet. There are two key things you can do when you're writing programs to manipulate other people's websites or to access other people's websites that will make everybody's life a lot easier. One is use a good user agent. Remember we talked about in Unit 1, user agents are the header that describe what browser you're using or what program you're using to access somebody. If you're planning on accessing somebody in a consistent fashion, if you're going to poll them every couple of seconds for updates or do something like that, use a good user agent. When you're using URLlib2, you can specify headers in your request, and you should set a user agent header that says, who you are, what your name is, maybe links to your website, so that somebody on the other end, if they see you, pounding them with lots and lots of requests, they know what's up. They have a way of reaching you to ask you to stop or to tell you they blocked you or that sort of thing. It's good to always include that. And the other really important thing is to rate limit yourself. If you want to download, let's say, all of the search results for the word Udacity on Twitter, yeah, you can request them 15 at a time, which is what their API returns, I believe, as fast as you can. But you'd be really sending a lot of requests to Twitter because you can have some loop and it's much, much faster than any human could type it, and that would actually hurt Twitter's servers. If you were to have code like this in Python, while there's more stuff, make another request to Twitter and just run this in this infinite loop, or maybe not infinite loop, but loop that's going to run through a number of iterations, you'd be sending requests as fast as Twitter could possibly serve them. Instead, it's really good to get in the habit of using the sleep function. In Python, you can say import time.sleep1, and this will cause your interpreter to sleep for 1 second. And this is nice. Then you're only hitting them once a second, which is much more sustainable. But if you abuse their service or do too many requests, they'll probably rate limit you. I know Twitter does, because I thought about having a quiz in this unit that was how many requests in a minute can you make before Twitter rate limits you. But then I realized that would be the exact opposite of being a good citizen on the net. Asking thousands of students to go hit some website as fast as you can is generally not a nice thing to do. So instead, we're just going to talk about it, and I'm going to ask you to make sure if you're hitting somebody hard that you structure your code like this. Include a sleep so you pause a little bit and don't hit anybody too hard.